The pygmy elephant is a small, forest-dwelling elephant found on the island of Borneo. It has a smaller, more compact body than the larger, savanna-dwelling elephants found on the mainland. It has a round head with small, floppy ears,
and a short, flexible trunk. Its skin is covered in a thick, bristly hair, ranging in color from gray to brown. The pygmy elephant is an herbivore, feeding on grasses, fruits, and leaves from the trees in its habitat. It is a social animal, living in herds led by a dominant female. Despite its small size, the pygmy elephant is an important species in the ecosystem of Borneo, playing a role in seed dispersal and shaping the forest environment through its foraging habits.